Hey guys, what is going on? Georgia Regen here. So I have a simple tutorial video for you guys. It's simply how do you refund your games on Steam. So all you're going to do from your computer is open the Steam app that you should have downloaded. Then from here, all you do when it opens up on library, go to help and then press the very first one. This is Steam support. From Steam support, you're going to want to select the game that you want refunded. So for example, I'll click Guts and Glory. Now a big thing I have to point out before is look at your purchase date. Normally they won't refund you if it's purchased more than 14 days past. Sometimes they will. For example, right now for me it's February 28th, so it's been pretty well a month, and yeah, they're not gonna really accept that, or it may be like they may do it, but most of the time they won't. I've only played it for 10 minutes, so that might be a reason why they will say yes. They kind of debate off of playtime and the date and how long you had it. But if you didn't have it for a while, you can go to it's not what I expected or any of those reasons, and then select I'd like to request a refund. Now from here, it'll say how long you played it for, when you purchased it, and then here's what I was talking about. Refunds are typically not issued for purchases that are more than 14 days old. So from here you tell them why, just say it's not fun or whatever you want to say, it frequently crashes, and then type in your notes, and then from there just press submit, and they should email you back or do something within the next couple days. Refunds do take a couple days though, so do not expect it right away. So that's pretty well my short tutorial for you guys. I hope this really helps you out. If it did, don't forget to smash that like button and that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And like always guys, this is Regen George signing out. Peace.